Why do 73% of gym-goers eat wrong before training? Most eat too much fiber, bloating, cramping. Most eat too little carbs, no energy. I'm fixing this today, the exact pre-workout formula. Timing is everything. 60 to 90 minutes before equals the Goldilocks zone. Eat too early. Slow digestion. Food sits in your stomach. Eat too close. Cramping. Nausea. Poor performance. 60 to 90 minutes. Write that down. This timing changed my workouts. Carbs. You need 40 to 50 grams of fast carbs. Not brown rice. Not oatmeal. Not slow carbs. Why? Your glycogen is depleted. You need quick energy now. Best options. White rice, 45 grams per cup. Instant energy. Banana. 1 banana equals 27 grams carbs. Portable. Perfect. White bread, refined bread, 30 grams per slice. Fastest. Pasta, white pasta, 40 grams per serving. Fast carbs spike your blood sugar. Maximum energy during workout. Protein. But here's the key, keep it light. 20 to 30 grams only. Not 50, not 40. Light. Why? Heavy protein takes 3 to 4 hours to digest. You want energy now, not your body fighting digestion. Best options. Chicken breast, 30 grams, big, clean. Fish fillet, 25 grams, omega-3, brain boost. Egg white, 17 grams, fastest absorbed. Light protein keeps you energized, not bloated or sluggish. What to absolutely avoid? High fiber foods. Bloats you, cramping, bathroom breaks of gym. High fat foods. Slows digestion, sits in stomach, uncomfortable. Dairy. Lactose causes cramping and bloating for many. Spicy food. Gut issues, acid reflux. Poor focus. Heavy meals. Nausea. Fatigue. Poor performance. Keep it simple. Simple carbs, light protein, that's it. Here are my go-to 5-minute prep options. Option 1, banana plus white rice plus chicken. Cook rice 2 minutes. Boil chicken 3 minutes. Peel banana. Total 5 minutes, 380 calories. 40 grams protein, 45 grams carbs. Option 2, oatmeal plus banana plus egg white. Cook oatmeal 2 minutes. Scramble egg white 2 minutes. Add banana. Total 5 minutes, 350 calories. 25 grams protein, 50 grams carbs. Option 3, white bread plus peanut butter plus banana. Toast bread 1 minute, spread peanut butter, slice banana, done. Total 3 minutes, 330 calories. 15 grams protein, 40 grams carbs. Pick one and make it routine. Eat this meal. Feel the difference. Within 15 minutes, energy starts rising. 30 minutes, you're at peak energy, ready to crush it. Your lifts are stronger. Your reps are higher. Your pump is insane. No more fatigue mid-workout. No more weak lifts. No more feeling like you're dragging. This meal transforms your gym performance. Every single time. Pro tips for maximum performance. Hydration window. Drink water 2 hours before, 16 ounces. 1 hour before, another 8 ounces. 30 minutes before, another 8 ounces. This hydration strategy alone increases strength by 5 to 10%. Stretching. Light stretching 10 minutes before gym. Caffeine. Optional. 100 to 200 milligrams caffeine boosts focus and energy. Sleep. Don't skip sleep. Pre-workout meal works 2 times better with good sleep. Follow these 3 pro tips. Your performance will skyrocket. Your results depend on this decision right now. Will you commit to this pre-workout strategy or keep struggling with weak energy and poor lifts? The choice is yours. Choose performance. Choose this meal. Like this video. Subscribe. Turn on notifications. See you in the next video. Maximize your performance. Fuel your workout.